when I'm presenting or facilitating a workshop, I like to think of myself as a conductor. This is how I get engagement. And I know this is big right now because a lot of people are saying they really lack engagement, especially online, right? It's so hard to get engagement. Well, when you're conducting, you are getting all the people, right? It's like, oh, I'm getting the strings and I got the horns over here. But if I'm not bringing in the harpist, they might start multitasking, right? Uh-oh, I'm losing the harpist. Come on, harp. And I need everyone. And I need all these wonderful instruments to make sweet, sweet music, right? So sometimes I might want to get it really loud and have people yell at me and get some vocal interaction. Sometimes I might want to have it soft and reflecting and writing some thoughts in the chat box, or getting people interacting together and really mixing groups and doing all kinds of things. But if I'm going to make sweet symphony music and have crescendos and things like that, I need to have a strategy. The conductor needs to know the music, needs to know what they want. So if you don't have an engagement strategy when you are presenting or facilitating online, you might be going for it and finding you have some really awkward silences. All right? So think about it. How are you going to conduct to make sweet music?